has fewer homes for sale this week than compared to last week, and prices are up 18.1% since last year this same time. It's Friday, April 14th, 2023. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty, your local market expert with this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report. Subscribe to stay updated on our local market. Overall, there are only 87 homes for sale in the 3 active zip codes of Annapolis, with a median sales price of $799,900. 21401 has 39 for sale, with 9 going to contract over the past week. 21403 has 39 for sale, as 5 went to contract, and 21409 has 14 for sale, while 2 went to contract since last week. We're still seeing fewer homes coming to the market, so supply demands will likely keep prices higher despite fewer contracts happening. 27 homes are coming soon. 4 new listings hit the market since my last report. 16 went under contract, 9 moved to pending, 11 sold in just 6 median days at 101% list to sold ratio. The highest priced home to sell over the past week was in Charles Point for $3,100,000. Rental inventory remains at 22 homes for lease at $3,100 per month and going to lease in just 17 days. What's on your mind about our local market? Message me your questions. That's a wrap for this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report for Friday, April 14th, 2023. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see you next week.